Let us connect Windows machine using RDP. Go to RDP connection, click on download file, get password, copy this key pair. You need to upload this key pair, which is available part of your downloads. Why? During the instance launch, you have created this key pair. Click on decrypt. Now you have public DNS name or IP address. Then you have password, you have username, and you downloaded a connection file. Here is a connection file. Double click on this connection file. It opens here. It opens like this. Provide password, click on connect. We are connecting to the remote Windows machine, which is running in all the way from North Virginia in one of the physical data centers. And we are able to connect with the help of public DNS name or IP address, public IP, username called administrator, password we have given. Windows is coming up. Still, it's loading. Successfully, we have connected to remote Windows machine. Here is a Windows machine. In the real time, we hand over this machine to the application owner once it is launched. In our use case, once we connect, we will validate, then we close the connection and we go all the way to the ECU dashboard. We terminate it. Why? We are in a learning mode. So we terminate this Windows machine. As of now, I'll stop it. I'm stopping it. And now I want to connect a Linux machine. To connect a Linux machine, go to connect button. You have to go to SSH client. You need to follow these 4 steps. First step is open SSH client. Where? On my Mac operating system, on your Windows operating system. Nothing but you need to open a git bash. Once you open a git bash, step number 1, you need to open a git bash. Step number 2, locate your private key. You need to check where this key pair is available. It is available part of downloads. So go to downloads location and check the key pair is available or not. Very good, it is available. Step 3, you need to change the permissions by executing this command. chmod space 400 space file name. Permissions are modified. Now it's a time to connect this DNS name by using this example connection string. So there's a default user called EC2-user SSH secure shell host. In -I insert, this is a password. It is acting as a password. Username is EC2-user. We have launched Amazon Linux. The default username is EC2-user. Here we have DNS name. In place of DNS name, public IP, you can use it. Hit enter. So S to connect. In the real time, once you connect, you check who you are, where you are, and you check what operating system it is. And after that, you will give a handover to the application owner. Once it is done, you will do exit command. You have exited from the server. You close this and you terminate. In our case, in the real time, you hand over it to the application owner. You go over here and you will terminate. For now, I'm stopping. If I stop, AWS is not going to charge for me. If I terminate, me permanent delete. So what you have learned now, how to launch a Windows machine, how to launch a Linux machine. You have learned about global infrastructure of AWS, how to identify region services and global services, how to navigate to ECU dashboard and what we can achieve, how to launch Windows and Linux, how to connect them remotely.